No more messages in the chat box. Swara, what is this?
Okay, good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. Today, grade 5 children, good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Switch
Good
off your
morning, ma'am.
microphone now. Be ready with the chapter number 6.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Switch off your microphone. Open chapter number 6. What is the name of chapter number 6, children? Can you please tell me? One of the child can switch on the
Ma'am, I can
microphone and
say.
reply.
Multiples and factors. Be my multiple, I will be your factor.
Yes, be my multiple, I will be your factor. It means that we are going to learn what in this chapter?
Multiples and factors.
Multiples and
Multiples
factors.
and factors.
Very good. Multiples and factors. So there are two topics, one is multiple and the another is factors. So first we will learn what are multiples. So our topic, today's topic is multiples. Now first we will learn what are multiples. Multiples are the products you get when a number is multiplied by itself and other numbers as well. And we can say that also multiples are the numbers obtained by skip counting. In easy words, we can say what are the multiples? Multiples are is the table of that number. If I want that, if I say 2 into 5, the product which is 10 is what? Is the multiple of 2. Is the multiple of 2. In easy words, we can say that the multiple means the table of that number. If I say write 2 multiples of 2. So what are the 2 multiples of 2? First 2 multiple. Please, I will explain you this also in detail. So if please write the answer in the chat box. If I ask, write the first 2 multiples of 2. So what will be the first 2 multiples of 2? Very good, Aryan. Please start writing the answer in the chat box. First 2 multiples of 2. Haley, not only one, I am asking first 2 multiples. Yes. So for now we will learn. See, 2 also will be the multiple of 2 because now we will learn the properties. What are the properties of multiples? Before going to the properties, please whatever is written here on the board, copy it down in your notebook. Write today's date, write chapter number, write topic and write the definition of what is multiples. Start writing in your notebooks. After writing, please write in the chat box that you have done, then I will move further. Switch off your microphone, please. Yes, very good. Now start writing what is multiple. Multiples are the products you get when a number is multiplied by itself. If I say 2 into 1,
Ma'am, your camera is blur.
It's fine, ma'am. It is visible just because of few of connectivity. When it will be stable, it will be fine. Don't worry.
Okay. Children, please check your connectivity problem and please log out and log in again. So multiplied by itself and other numbers. For example, 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 3 is 6. So what is the product? The product is the multiple of 2. Madhuri ma'am, please check that Jaival is saying the screen is blurred.
Yes, ma'am. In between, little bit it is getting blur.
Okay. Now?
Once it will be stable, it will become proper, ma'am. We can understand the networking issues.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what is after get? I can't see.
I will repeat. You get. Yeah, till here you have written when
Ma'am,
when.
ma'am, now you don't move your camera because it is clear.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Now it is perfectly clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
When a number is multiplied by itself and other numbers as well, so these are called the multiples. And we can say in other words that multiple is also the skip counting. Like if I say 2, So if I skip two numbers, what will be the next number? Please write in the chat box. First is 2. Second will be? Yes, 4. The third will be?
Multiples are the products you get when a number is multiplied by itself and other numbers goes as well. Ma'am, after that, what you have written here?
Also, yes. Now, what will be after 4? If we skip 2 more numbers, then it will be 6. Then after 6, it will be 8. After 8, it will be 10. So this is also called the skip counting also. So we can get the multiples of the number. Like if I want the multiples of 2, I can get it with the skip counting also. Right?
Ma'am, what is after the
So in
multiple?
simple, also multiples are the numbers obtained by skip counting. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now I will only erase the top 2 lines. Please switch off your microphone. Yes. Now please write the properties of, as you know that you have learned the properties of addition, subtraction. There are some rules of that topic. So this is called the properties of multiples.
Ma'am, we have to
Yes,
write this
yes.
properties of
Please write in the notebook. Properties of multiples.
Ma'am, in new page, yeah, after.
Same after this topic only.
Hello, madam, excuse me. One minute.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm the father of Ruchika.
Father of?
Ruchika Vyas.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Ruchika at the time से नहीं, actually we are in a village, so वहाँ पे internet facility नहीं थी और she skipped so many things. So
Sir, we will talk after the class regarding this.
okay, तो आप
Okay.
Ruchika से मेरा number ले लीजिएगा. Can you give me a call?
No, on this line only. Once everyone will log out, we will meet, right?
Okay.
At 10:50, if the class will get over, then after that we'll talk.
Okay.
On the same classroom line only, you will stay there.
No.
Don't log out. Okay.
Renu, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is written after numbers as well?
Also, multiples are the numbers obtained by skip counting.
Renu ma'am, actually the
Yes.
board is not visible from the your left hand side.
My left hand side. This?
Yeah. No, this way. Yeah, that's better. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Renu ma'am, I wrote this definition of
downwards.
First, Aheli will speak to me. Aheli, what is the problem?
Ma'am, I wrote the definition of multiple. It took 2 to 3 lines only. So ma'am, I can continue or new
Yes,
page?
my dear. Continue on the same page. Properties of multiples, and we can say that these are the facts of multiples. Facts of multiples. So first fact is every number is a multiple of itself.
Vivan Patel, why are you not writing? And you better put that hoodie off.
Every number is a multiple of itself.
Renu ma'am, I told Vivan Patel to write, he switched off his camera. And then he is typing rubbish also in the chat box. What is this, Vivan?
Vivan Patel, please. Be attentive in the class. Every number is a multiple of itself means 8 is a multiple of 8. How? 8 ones are 8, right? So 8 is a multiple of 8. Please write. Second property is every number is a multiple of 1. For example, 5 is a multiple of 1 as 5 multiplied by 1. Sorry, here you will write 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. And here you will write 5 multiplied by 1 is the 5. Third is the first and the smallest multiple of every number is, tell me the what will be the answer here. The first and the smallest multiple of every number is,
Which number is that?
yes, is, if I say 7, write the first and the smallest multiple of 7. So what will be the first and the smallest multiple of 7? Please write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, 7.
Yes, 7. So number itself. So we can say that the first and the smallest multiple of every number is the number itself.
Ma'am, your
will,
board is a little bit blur.
Okay, I'll check. After writing here, I will write here at the top, multiple of every number is the number itself. So this is the point of third point. Please write fast, children. Can I raise the first point? Madhuri ma'am, please instruct me. Can I raise the first point?
No, ma'am, still they are writing. A few
Okay.
of them are still writing.
Ma'am, you can do little bit your board this side because the screen is little bit. Yes, ma'am. Now it's.
Okay, I'll raise this first one.
Yes, ma'am, you can erase the first one.
Now the fourth point is every multiple.
Ma'am, I can't see the downside of your board.
Renu, ma'am.
Ma'am, after number
Renu, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You please don't go according to these people's instruction. They want to
Yes, yes.
move the board here and there, and then others are facing problem.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I'm
Just-
waiting for your reply only.
Yeah,
Yes.
just pull your board little bit on your side.
Okay.
But that's it, ma'am. Now don't move the board.
Okay. Thank you,
This
ma'am.
much they can understand, that the numbers and the serial, and then these people you can understand yourself. Don't harass ma'am in between.
Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself.
Ma'am, your screen is blur.
My dear, please log out and log in again.
Ma'am, it will happen within few seconds. It will be okay. I don't understand these people. You are working online, so these things will happen. You need to wait. It is
Every
clear, ma'am.
multiple.
It will
Yes,
it will
yes.
come by itself. Don't worry.
Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. Who will explain me, please? Write in, switch on your microphone. Who will explain me about this point, this property of multiple? Please switch on your microphone and please explain me what this property is saying. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, every multiple.
First, tell your name and only one child
Ma'am,
answer I want at a time.
Ishana Jain.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Ishana. Yes, Ishana.
Ma'am, it explains that every multiple of a number is greater than a number or equal to that number.
Means what?
Smaller, but it's not.
Can you give me one example?
Like ma'am. It is.
Tell me one example. Anyone?
Ma'am, I
Right.
tell.
Yes, tell me.
I
Tell me
think-
your name first.
Hello.
Aryan. 6 times
Yes,
1, 6
Aryan.
times 2, 12.
Yes, tell me.
Hello.
1, 6 and 6 times 2 is equal to 12.
Yes. So, see, 6 is 1 times 6. 6 ones are 6. That also is, this is also equal to and greater than, like 6 into 2 is 12. So, equal to that number if I want to write. Yes, ma. Who is saying hello in between?
They
So
just
if I want-
mute the mic.
If I want to write the multiples of 6, the question comes, write the multiple of 6. So the if I say equal to and the 12, so 6 also comes in that multiples and 12 also comes in that multiple. So equal to that number and greater that numbers are the multiples of that numbers.
Hello, Renu ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
No, okay, it's fine.
Yeah,
Your
for a while
screen-
it is.
Yeah, your screen was closed. That is why.
Okay. So number 5th multiple is multiples of a number are infinite, or we can say unlimited. There is no and of multiples, are infinite. And the other word, I put a slash and write the other word of infinite is unlimited. Mean they are endless. If you want to write the multiples of 2, you can keep on writing, they never ends. 2 tens or 20, but you have learned the tables of till 20. But if you keep on skip counting and keep multiplying the number with the number, there are endless multiples of any number, right? If I say
Ma'am,
2
because-
into 100 also, then also you have to write 200, right?
Numbers are only endless.
Yes, the multiples of numbers are, and let keep on multiplying the number and get the product, so it is endless. So that's why we can say the multiples of any number are infinite or unlimited. Number 6 property,
Yeah.
multiples of, you all know about even and odd numbers? Aryan, can you explain me what are even numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Even
please
numbers
explain?
are numbers which end with 0, 2, 6,
Yes.
8, 4, and
Means they are divisible of 2, right?
yes.
Right. So
All regular numbers
multiples. So if there is one trick also, multiples of even numbers are always even.
even.
For example, you can take any even number. So, for example, 4. 4 is an even number. If I want to write the multiples of 4, so 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So, you in this way you can check the multiples of even number are always even. And the seventh property is multiples of odd numbers are. Can you please explain me what are the multiples of odd numbers? How we have done in the
Ishana,
grade? Yes, Ishana. We have done in the
ma'am,
grade
odd
4
num
also.
ma'am, odd numbers are the numbers in which the numbers end with 1, 3,
Yes.
5,
Yes.
7, 9.
Very good. So that the ones place you will get 1, 3, 7
3,
means
7, yeah.
yes. So can you tell me what multiples of odd numbers? For example, 7 is an odd number.
Yeah, ma'am.
3 is an odd number.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Ma'am,
tell me?
ma'am,
Yes.
in this, there is a pattern of that first it will odd, then even, then odd. Like 3
Yes. So it's a
is odd,
pattern
3 to the 6
when
is
we get
even.
the multiples
Yes,
of
ma'am, it
odd
is like,
numbers.
ma'am, it is like skip counting. Skip counting.
Yes, so it is a skip counting, but you will notice here skip counting, all the multiples are on the basis of skip counting. But in odd multiples, you will notice that, for example, are one odd and even. There is a sequence of odd and even. So I'll give you one
Ma'am, what you
example
have written
here.
after odd? Ma'am, what you have written after
Odd
odd?
and even. Odd and even. First
Ma'am,
odd,
not
then
that.
next even,
Uh,
then where?
Ma'am, 7 1 odd. Multiple
Yes,
of
odd.
odd after.
Odd numbers, numbers, are odd and even. For example, 3. 3 is a odd number. So if I want to check the multiples of 3, so 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So you can see here the first is odd, then even, then odd, then even. Have you noticed the sequence? So we can say
Yes, ma'am,
that
I have
this is
noticed.
also one fact about, this is also the one fact about the multiples. If we are writing the multiples of any odd number, we will check the sequence in this way that one number will be the odd, next even, then odd, then even. This sequence will be following, right? So please write till here.
Screen is blurred.
Ma'am,
Yes.
your screen is blur.
My dear, for a second it is like this, then again it will be normal.
Excuse me, Reenu ma'am, I have sent you the mail for the recordings of the class.
Okay.
In Gmail, I have sent you.
Okay. You have to write everything and please be ready for the next now.
Ma'am, I am ready with everything, textbook and notebook and pen
Okay.
pencil.
Be ready with the next topic. Please continue your work. Right now we are going to do the questions based on that. That how the questions will be asked on the basis of multiples. Can I raise till 6 point? Everyone is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So now you will give the heading on your page that you are doing.
Renu ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Purva Jain, what sort of class are you attending? Purva Jain,
What
turn on your
happened, ma'am?
camera. Or I'll be dropping you out of the class.
Ma'am, these questions we have to write in our
Yes,
notebook.
you write the heading questions. Now
Ma'am,
I will, yes, tell me.
ma'am, we have to write in new page or the continue from back page only or new page.
Okay, now better you write from the new page.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone write this heading from the new page questions. Now I will explain you what the questions will be asked in the textbook, in your papers, in any exams on the basis of multiples. So first question is write.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes, you have to write these questions. Write first 5 multiples of 4. It can be, right, this is one example that write the first 5 multiples, because you know we have already learned the multiples are endless. So if they want to ask any question in the paper or in the exam, they will give you certain limit that how many multiples you want to write. So sometime they will write 5 multiples, 3 multiples, 2 multiples, 6 multiples, 10 multiples, depend on the question what they are asking, but they will never write all the multiples of 4. So if they say that write all the multiples of 4, then it is endless. You cannot write all the multiples of 4 together. So they will give you a certain limit, how many multiples you have to write of 4. So for example, we have done write first 5. This also they will mention which multiple they want. So they want the first 5 multiples of 4. So you will not skip 4. 4 will also be the first multiple of the 4. So answer will be 4. What
So,
will
ma'am,
be the
you have
next?
to
Please
question
write in the
and
chat
answer.
box. Yes, you have to write question and answer. Please write the answer in the chat box. What are the first 5 multiples of 4? Please write the answer in the chat box.
Excuse me, ma'am, we have to write this in notebook.
Who is this?
Ma'am, Prithvi.
Yes, Prithvi, we have to write everything what I am writing on the board.
Okay, ma'am.
Advika, just check. We are writing the multiples of 4. Yes, 4.
To write question and answers also.
Yes. 4, 8. Very good. 12. Yes. 16 and 20. Please, if they are asking, again repeat, if they are asking first 5 multiples of, please don't skip the first multiple. First multiple also will come. I have noticed when you were in the grade 4, you were writing from the second multiple. Please do not skip the first multiple. First multiple also will come. And today I'm going to send you the Google form based on the same which we are doing today. There you are going to write the multiples, so you will not put the space. You will write the number, put comma, write the number, put comma. Do not leave the space. If you leave the space, it will take your answer wrong, because I have feed the answers in this way. That's why I am explaining you. Please write the number, put comma, write the number, put comma, write the number, put comma. Do not leave the space. Don't press your space bar in that answer. Otherwise, it will show you the wrong answer. That's why I am explaining you, when you do the Google form, you please do it in this way. Clear? Yes. Now my next question is, write or find. They will write the word find also. So don't get confused. You go to the topic what they are asking. Write the 6th. They will write the 6th in this way, or they can write the 6th in this way also. Write the 6th multiple of 8. So they can give you any number and they want to ask the 5th multiple, 4th multiple, 3rd multiple, 6th multiple, if they specify which multiple they want. So what you do in this case? So you will multiply 6 into 8 and you have to write the multiple of 8 6 times 6 8 is 48. The sixth multiple of 8 is 48. So the answer is 48. This way they will mention which multiple they want. Next question will be write two multiples of 3 after 9. You know that 9 is the multiple of 3, right? So after 9, write two more multiples. You will not write from the beginning now. They have already instructed you. Nishika, just pay attention here on the question. Write two multiples of 3 after 9. You know 3 times 3 is 9. Two more multiples. Yes, it will be 12 and 15. Next two multiples after 9. So the answer is 2 and 15. Please write in your notebook.
Ma'am, after 9, we have to, which multiples come after 9? That multiple.
After 9, the multiples of 3, but after 9. Two more multiples of 3, but after 9. Right? 3 3s are 9, you know. But till 9, you don't want to write. You have to write the multiples of 3 after 9. Clear? Now my next is next question is write the multiples of 5 between 20 and 35. Means now you will write the multiples of 5 which comes between 20 and 35. So which all the multiples which between 20 and 35? Yes, 25. So after 20 will come 25 and 30. We are writing between. Yes, Krishita, very good. So answer is 25 and 30 are the between multiples of 5 after 20 and before 35. Okay, just next question is
Renu ma'am.
No, I can't say anything.
Yes, ma'am.
for the
Renu
screen.
ma'am, the screen is completely blurred. We cannot see anything.
okay.
Can you wait for a little while without any movement, please? Yeah, ma'am. Now maybe you can continue.
Okay.
Ma'am, your video has.
Your video is hanging up, ma'am. That is why.
So the
Your
next
video
question is circle the number. Yes,
Yeah, your video is hanging up, ma'am.
video is.
Your video is hanging
Yes,
up.
Madhuri ma'am, tell me.
Ma'am, can you do some of
Yeah.
questions?
Now it's okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's much blurred.
No. Yeah.
Ma'am, it is blurred.
Hanging up.
It is completely
I am talking to
blurred.
Renu ma'am. Can you please stop giving your advices?
Just a minute,
They
children.
don't
Just a
have
minute.
patience. You make such a lot of faces. We can see every one of you. Ma'am, just
Yes, ma'am, now check.
put your camera a little bit away from the board.
Okay.
It will come in few seconds because there is, yeah,
Now
it
check,
will
Madhuri
come, ma'am, no problem. When they
Ma'am,
face
now it's okay.
when they face networking issues, then we don't say anything. And when ma'am and teachers face problem, then they have all sorts of issues. You need to wait. Yes,
Now
ma'am,
it's okay,
it is
ma'am.
fine. It will come. Little bit pull the board on your side. Little bit on your side. Yeah, that's better. Yes, ma'am. Please continue.
Last question we will do. Circle the number or find the number. Circle the number or find the number that are not multiples.
Preet, if you give your 5
Of
minutes extra, then
9.
nothing is going to happen. She is advising you time is up.
Children, this is the last question. Few more questions will come up with tomorrow. So circle the number or find the number that are not multiples of 9. Now in this question, they will give you few numbers and you have to like 1, 18, sorry, I'll write up, it will not visible to you. 1, 18, 24, 21, 21, 27, and 36, 46, 63, 81, 92. If the number of numbers are given, and in this you have to find out the multiples of 9. So now we will check.
recording.
No. 18, 24 comes in the table of 9. Check, 24 comes.
No, ma'am.
21, 27, 36 comes.
Ma'am, 21 don't come in 9
9
table.
in the 9 it will not come. 21 will not come. Sorry. 27, 36 comes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 46,
No, ma'am.
63,
Yes, ma'am.
81.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we can write that 18, 27, 6, 63 and 81 are the multiples of 9. This shows that you have to learn and thorough with your tables. Learn your tables from 20 tomorrow and come up in the class so that you will give the quick answers. Yes, Advika, tell me. So we end up our class today here.
Ma'am, the question is written circle the numbers or find that are not the multiples of 9. And you have
Okay,
circled
so
that
now
are
we
the
change the question. It's okay, but write the that are multiples of 9. But it can come in the other way, not the multiples of 9. Fine?
Ma'am, write both.
You can write both also. You can write both also. You change the question. Circle the numbers which are, find the numbers that are not the multiples of 9 also. So you can do both the questions, right? For example, it is good for you to learn both the questions.
ma'am.
Clear? Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.